Most people assume all video conferencing platforms work the same, but the surprising truth is that the wrong choice can slow your business down, frustrate your team, and even lose clients. If you've heard about Pexip and are wondering if it's worth using, stay with me, because you won't believe what makes this platform different from the rest. Pexip is an enterprise-grade video conferencing and interoperability platform. It is built mainly for large organizations, healthcare providers, government offices, and companies that need strong security, privacy, and integration with existing systems. Unlike casual meeting apps, Pexip focuses on connecting different video systems into one secure network. The first thing you notice is flexibility. Pexip works with Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, WebRTC browsers, and even legacy video room systems. This means one person can join from a browser, another from a conference room device, and another from Teams, all in the same meeting. Most people get this wrong, but this feature alone can save companies thousands by removing the need to replace older hardware. The call quality is strong and stable, even with large groups. During testing, video remained clear, audio stayed in sync, and screen sharing worked without lag. Pexip also uses end-to-end encryption options, on-premise deployment, and private cloud setups, making it ideal for organizations that handle sensitive data. However, this is not a casual app for friends or small teams. Setup requires technical knowledge, and pricing is higher than consumer tools. The learning curve is real, and you will need IT support for full deployment. In conclusion, Pexip is perfect for enterprises that need secure, flexible, and professional video communication. If you value privacy, integration, and reliability, Pexip is a powerful solution. Subscribe for more honest software reviews and tech guides.